Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back for another how-to video. This time we will be talking about camera lens filters. These are the filters that attach to the front of the camera lens here. You can see there's your lens cap and there's your filter. Let's take the lens cap off and take a closer look. There you can see the filter attached to the front of the lens. This is just a UV filter and I use these filters for protection of the original lens. It is quite easy to swap out the filter and damage your filter rather than damage a lens that might be worth several $100s. Okay, this lens here is probably around the $300 or $400 worth, whereas that filter is only about $15. So should something hit or strike the front of the lens and scratch it, I can just take that filter off and replace it. This lens here is my most expensive lens. It is worth around $1,000. And again, it's got a lens UV filter attached to the front of it. I definitely do not want the front of this lens scratched or damaged in any way, because this is, like I said, a really expensive lens for my standards anyway. Here's my Sony camera with the standard kit lens, and same as all my other lenses, I've got a filter attached to the front of the lens. Now, I did recently strike a problem with this because I tried to take the lens off just to clean everything up and it was stuck on there. No matter what I did, how hard I tried, I could not get that lens cap or lens filter off. It was absolutely impossible. I tried everything, I pushed it, I just did everything that I could possibly be doing to try and get that filter off, and it was just stuck on there. So I did some research and I found that you can buy these little plastic wrenches quite cheaply on eBay. They come in different sizes, as you can see there. Now I bought these, they were around $1.50 I think for 2 of these, delivered to Australia from China. I didn't put too much faith into it, but I thought I'd give these a try and see how well they worked. I was actually going to resort to taking my camera into a camera shop to try and get this filter taken off, because I did not want to damage my lens. And I would not have cared if they destroyed the filter in the process, but I did not want my lens damaged, and this is why I was very concerned when this filter was stuck on there. And my OCD does not allow me to have it stuck on there. I need to be able to take it off. So I got these from China as a last resort, and how they work is they just slip over there, clamp on, and then you gently turn, and that's what it does. Okay? It just gets your filter so you can take it off. Okay, I ordered these from China. They arrived within about 2 weeks, and within about 30 seconds of them arriving, I had my filter off and it was stuck on there hopelessly. It wasn't going to come off. There's nothing I could do to get it off. 30 seconds with one of these and it was off. So if you have a stuck lens filter, before you damage or destroy your lens or filter, or before you spend the money of taking it to a camera shop, spend $1 or $2 buying one of these and give it a go. Chances are it'll just get your filter off straight away without any problems. Okay, it doesn't take much to get these stuck sometimes, and these tools will do the job in probably 90% of all cases. Like I said, I tried everything. I was ready to destroy this and put some pliers on there and take it off, but I was too scared of causing damage to my lens to try that. That's the reason I was going to take it to a camera shop and get them to do it. If you enjoyed this video and it has helped you out in any way, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.